Hear that vortex? That's the sound of my car being disappointed in me. Like, you're gonna have to accept the fact that you can't always get what you want. Sometimes it takes a minute. Now, I realize that all I have to do is just buckle up my seatbelt and this noise would stop. But people allow themselves to be brainwashed by something as simple yet very annoying as this. They're brainwashed to do something that they might not actually want to do, something that might not make logical sense. Now, if you want to wear your seatbelt, but you shouldn't be bullied into this. See? Eventually, the bully moves on.